Welcome back. In this episode, we will cover the process of publishing your projects. Publishing a project always means that your app gets hosted in the cloud so you can access it over the internet one way or another. This is how we make it available to your users and make your logic accessible outside of the canvas. Publishing a project costs money and therefore requires a payment method. You will not be charged at the moment you publish your project. Instead, you will get an estimate of your monthly costs broken down based on what your project needs. For example, some endpoints. Elyx has usage-based pricing, meaning you pay only for what you use. So we can't tell you how much you will use upfront, but you can monitor it on the costs panel. At the end of every month, you will be billed as long as the project remains live, only for what you used within that billing cycle. The publication process itself is not like in other similar tools. Elyx actually creates your own private cloud, including dedicated servers to run your logic and databases, exactly like a team of software engineers would do it. So it can take up to a few minutes in some cases. The specific publication steps depend on what you have in the canvas and whether the project has previously been published. The first time you publish a project usually takes longer. The way to access and interact with a live cloud resource changes depending on the resource type. As we mentioned, that can be endpoints, but also scheduled tasks, which execute on their own some of your Canvas logic at a certain time or interval. It can also be databases, which store data permanently until it is explicitly deleted, and others. You will find all these resources also in the Cloud menu once they have been published. And that is all for this episode. This is a perfect transition to see how Elyx can store data across sessions. For that, in the next episode, we will cover a different cloud resource: databases. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so YouTube notifies you when Elyx posts more tutorials or announcements. See you in the next video.